Hello guys, nice and simple short video today. We're going to put some central locking into a Daihatsu Mira 2-door one, and I'm going to record the whole process, so it might make it easier for you guys to do it yourself. It's really simple. Okay, this is the central locking kit that we got. It's a 4-door one, but we won't need the other two because we're only fitting it into a 2-door. Wiring kit, motor mechanism, just the motors. They're the door lock mechanisms. We've got the hardware here and the remotes. So first things first, we're going to need to find battery power and an earth, and then pretty much just run these straight to the doors, and then that's it. Okay, to run the wires through the doors, you're going to need to get the main rubber out of between the pillar and the door. And what I'm going to do is use the rod for the window motor mechanism. Tape that to there. We'll push it through, tape it on, and then pull it through the rubber. And then you just mount the window arm actuator into a spot where it's going to clear the window glass when it rolls down, and making sure that it has a suitable reach to the arm for the door lock. It's always a good idea to test everything, make sure everything works before you put everything back together. Okay, the unit is mounted up in there. You can see it up that square box there. I've just got to wire power and ground, and then these two to go to the other door. For the power, I've tapped into the brake switch as it's got a constant 12 volts running to it, and then for the ground I've just put it to there. Central locking done on the Mira. We're going to do one on my one, but it's a 4-door one. So it's just the same process. It's just going to be running more wires. It's the only issue. But yeah, thanks for watching. Keep a lookout for the next video where Emily gets quizzed on a Daihatsu engine.